Happy holidays from Montsweag Garage. It's a brand new year, and now it's finally time to tackle some of the rust on our 1967 Dodge Dart here. So we're gonna take this process in chunks, and the first step to that is getting our windshield out. And I'm gonna start by taking off the hood. What? Yeah, taking off the hood. Now, how I do this is a one-man job. Be different than the way you do it. I'm gonna show you anyway. Got 2 hood bolts. I'm gonna loosen both hood bolts. I'm gonna take the back one out. Now, with the back hood bolts out, you just take it and rock it down. Remove the other 2 hood bolts. Lean and lift with your back. Don't mind me, I'm fine. Oh, watch out, ladder. Now, we have a much better view of what's going on in here. This also allows me to haul my big butt. Oh, let go of the shirt. Thank you. Lets me haul my big butt inside here. We're gonna start by pulling off the windshield wipers. Underneath here, there's a little tang. Get up under here with a screwdriver, hold that tang out, come to the back side here, and we should just be able to, gently, this is kicking my butt. Kind of gently pry up on this back side here, because there's a spring in here that's putting pressure this way, like that. Come on, you can do it. Oh yeah, I am chewing that right up. Good thing I'm gonna paint it. Ah, there we go. So I think what I was doing is I was getting underneath this lip and not underneath this lip. But we got it off. Let's get the other one off. Hello, little clip. 2 down. Second one much easier once you figure it out. So next we have the lock strip, which holds the windshield in. This one's a little crunchy. Just get under it with the, and break it. Looks like that's how this one's coming out. Guess we're buying a new lock strip. This is extremely brittle. This is not the way I had imagined. What this is supposed to do is roll up and pull out. So the idea of it is to wedge in the top here and roll down and snap into place. And because this thing is so old and brittle, it's coming out in pieces. We're getting a new windshield locking strip because meat paws. No, really, because 57 years old. She looks good for 57. That almost came out in one piece. This seems to be what is going to be the quickest way to get this out. Let's crack it all the way across. There is no saving this. And there we have it. The bottom lock strip is out. Unfortunately, in pieces. No worries. We'll get another one. Next up is the side lock strip. Now I can actually show you how it's supposed to come out. Ideally, get your trim tool right under here, kind of pry this way on it. And there we go. That's how it's supposed to come out. My top one's already gone. It's been like that since I got the car. One more lock strip to go. Oh, this one's a little more grabby. Let go. There we go. And out she comes. Now the factory service manual says that I should take a fiber stick and put it in between here. I don't have a fiber stick, so let me use this. Take it, slide it between the glass, pry it back. Oh, that works really well. Matter of fact, I don't even need the fiber stick. Oh, wait, here's a spot not to cut off fingers. I see a little sealant when I look down in there. And I'm just taking it and cutting it with the razor blade. Now I just gotta work my way all the way around. All right, that wasn't so bad. Now, I think I need an assistant. Be right back. While I wait for assistance, I'm just gonna kind of wipe this off a little bit. Ooh, that's nasty. What I need from you is to start in this top corner, push out. Now start working your way this way as it lets go. I can see it coming up on this side. Maybe try working your way down the side. Okay. All right. I gotcha. Thank you. So apparently it's not quite ready to come out yet. We need to go around the inside some more. Going to try this time. Yep. That'll do. That will do. Ooh. Oh, that was bad. Come on, off the windshield. Windshield! Oh boy, how do we get out? Easy. No fall down, go breaky. You, Mr. Windshield, are going into storage. Out of the way, where klutz can't break you. Safe-ish. Now to assess the dunce's damage. So I heard a pop and a tank, and I saw that. That came from right there. Because I'm an idiot. Yeah, these molding strips, not fun to get out. More work than I expected anyway. I got a screw here, and then it slides up into the trim with another screw here. Then you must very gently slide it out, and it does not want to go. And if I pull it, I'm gonna break it here. I have to figure out how to get that off. We're failing. Is it that easy? That just comes out with a clip? It does just hold in with a clip. Nice. Still doesn't want to come out. I'm probably bending the shit out of that. Most of you are probably cringing right now and being like, oh, you're ruining it. It'll be fine. Easy. No snappy. How in tarnation? Well, that's that. Shit. Guess we're getting new moldings too. Just like new. Remember this part. Now that half of you have unsubscribed, we could go ahead and get this gasket out. See what we got underneath. Once the windshield's out and your molding's out, we can actually get this gasket out. Comes out fairly easily, as that gives us access, one, to these bolts, which will help us get the dash out, and two, let us get up under here and see all this. Surprisingly, it's not that bad. I mean, there's no rot whatsoever in the, what does the factory service manual call it? The fence. Yes, that's it. I mean, this is beautiful. There's really not a whole lot of rust, aside from kind of right down here in this little corner. As we kind of scan across the entire length of the cowl here, it looks really good. I mean, there's some fresh factory paint down there. Looks like just in these corners here and here, we get a little bit of rust. I can deal with that. That is far better condition than I expected it to be. Well, that process was a whole lot rougher than I expected it to be, but really happy with the condition of the metal up underneath the gasket. Now our next step is going to be to drop the dash frame. It makes it a whole lot easier to do that if your dash cluster's out. If you want to see how to do that, check out this video right here.